Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Hyderabad location. It is from Telangana. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are job openings available from SMS Pharmaceuticals Limited. It is located in Hyderabad location. So they are having vacancies in the following departments such as Quality Control, Regulatory Affairs API and also Production Department. Firstly, for Quality Control Department, qualification will be MSA or B Pharma and should be 2 to 4 years of experience is required. And coming to skills required, the candidate should be having good knowledge in GMP documentation and having experience in HPLC, PSD and potentiometric and GC. Next one for in the Regulatory Affairs API department. For this qualification will be BSc or MSc or B Pharma and also 2 to 5 years of experience is required for these positions, and the candidate should be having good knowledge on preparation of DMFs and regulatory submissions and exposure and plant related activities etc, and the candidate working in API regulatory affairs. So these are the skills required for the regulatory affairs department. Next last one for production department, qualification will be BSc or MSc or B Pharma, and fresher candidates are also eligible, and also 4 years of experienced candidates are required for this production department. Next, coming to skills required, the candidate having API experience knowledge and on GMP documentation and handling of GLR, SSR and dryers. So interested candidates, you can walk into the interview from 19th to 22nd April 2021 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. to the provided address details, and if you see here note will be there. The candidates should carry the latest CTC, 3 months pay slips, resume, Aadhaar card, UAN number. So they are giving preference to male candidates and for giving preference to immediate joiners. So interested candidates, you can also send your resume to the provided mail ID. Next, there are vacancies available from Skandanshi Infra Projects India Private Limited. So it is for Hyderabad location, and they have vacancies available for senior designer and also for designer position. Firstly, for senior designer position, experience will be 9 to 12 years is required, and for designer position, 5 to 8 years of experience is required, and minimum qualification will be bachelor's in architecture or master's in architecture or bachelor's in interior design from NID. So work location will be Hyderabad. So interested candidates, you can attend to the interview to the provided address details, and they have also provided here the contact numbers. So if you have any queries regarding these job openings, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9100779748.
Next, there is a job openings for Sriram Chits. They are looking for executive trainee position and business development executive marketing for chits, deposits and life insurance. If you see for executive trainee, minimum qualification is science and maths graduation or MBA with 2 years of relevant experience, and age is around 28 years is required. Selected candidates will be given training in the areas of chit operations, sales, cross-selling, etc. Deserving candidates after training will be offered the position of branch manager with attractive salary along with incentives. And if you see for business development executive position, minimum qualification is graduation with 2 years of relevant experience. Age around 25 years of is required, and salary along with incentives will be provided for the right, like it will not be a constraint for a right candidate. So they may offer a salary along with incentives based on the candidate performance and the relevant experience and skill set. Two-wheeler is mandatory for both the positions above mentioned for the executive trainee and business development executive as well. You have to share your resume along with your photograph to the provided email IDs. For Rayalaseema region, you have to share your resume along with your photograph to the provided email ID, that is hrrsa@scchits.com. And for coastal Andhra Pradesh region, you have to share your resume to the provided email ID hrcap@schits.com. And for Telangana region, you have to share your resume at the provided email ID hrts@schits.com. If you have any questions on this, let us know below in comments. We will be replying for that. You have to share your resume within 10 days. Next, there is job openings for Agastya Agro Limited. They are looking for various positions for marketing staff for Telangana region and Andhra Pradesh. There are various positions like regional manager, area manager, sales officer, field development officer, and sales representatives. For regional manager, minimum qualification is BSc Agriculture and minimum 10 years and above experience is required. And for area manager, minimum qualification is any graduation, minimum 5 years of experience is required. For sales officer, minimum qualification is any graduation, minimum 3 years of experience is required. For field development officer, minimum qualification is BSc Agriculture and minimum 2 years of experience is required. For sales representatives, minimum qualification is any graduation, minimum 1 year of experience is required. Attractive salary with other benefits depending upon experience will be offered. You have to share your resume at the provided email ID and you have to mention subject name as well. The post name will be the subject name. The email ID is agastyaagro@yahoo.com. Next, for the same organization, Agastya Agro Limited, technical staff at factory for Telangana state region is required. They are looking for senior chemist, junior chemist, and supervisors. For senior chemist position, minimum qualification is MSc Chemistry and minimum 3 to 5 years of experience is required. And for junior chemist, minimum qualification is MSc Chemistry and BSc Chemistry. Preference will be given to MSc Chemistry and minimum BSc Chemistry qualification will be required, and minimum 1 year of experience will be required. And for supervisor positions, minimum qualification is ITI Electrical or Mechanical or Electronics. More than 2 years of experience is required for these positions. You have to share your resume at the provided email ID and you have to mention subject as a post name. The email ID is provided here. You can check with that. Next, there is job openings for the same organization, Agastya Agro Limited, for the head office located at Secunderabad. They are looking for senior accounts officer. Minimum qualification is BCom or MCom, MBA Finance. Minimum 10 years of experience is required in finalization, IT, etc. And preference will be given to ODO software knowledge. And you have to share your resume at the provided email ID. You can check with that. If you have any questions, let us know below in comments. We will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for CVR College of Engineering. They are looking for resident lady hostel warden on full-time basis for a girls hostel immediately. Salary commensurate with qualifications and experience. You have to apply before April 18th, 2021 to the following mail ID. Email ID is cvrappointments2021@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for medical representatives for the organization Monichem. Monichem, a professionally managed pharma company, needs sales officers or medical representatives at Hyderabad location. So, the job locations are like Jeedimetla, Shapur, and Balnagar. Minimum qualification is any graduates or undergraduates. BTech discontinued student candidates also eligible for the job role. Shortlisted candidates will be called for the personal interview. So you have to share your resume on or before April 17, 2021 to the provided email ID. Email ID is monichem@gmail.com. And there is also official website address given here. You can check with that, www.monichem.com. Next, there is job openings for Crizal. They are looking for distributor positions. Agency or persons looking for new distribution platform with a strong financial background can also apply. And they are also looking for marketing managers. Minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in any lubricant oil, industrial and automotive products. Good sales and aggressive in field work are expecting. So this is a qualification and a skill set required. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 77089432222. There is also email ID available. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Care Labs. They are looking for environmental executives, client relation executives, field executives, admin, purchase executives. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7799444224. Next, there is a job openings for Geetham deemed to be university. They are looking for various positions like assistant professors in engineering, management, architecture, pharmacy, humanities and social sciences and computer science. And they are also looking for lab technician in School of Pharmacy. For more details, you can browse official careers webpage of Geetham University given here, that is www.gitam.edu/careers. That's it in this video, guys. We'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Hyderabad location as early as possible. Please like our videos, share our videos with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.